Hey everyone, my name is Antonio Luis, and I am currently working with Sydney Montgomery in her law school boot camp. I am hoping to enroll in law school in the fall of 2021, and I can honestly say that enrolling in her boot camp has been one of the greatest investments I have made in this law school journey. I first came across Sydney by listening to her in a podcast, and I knew I had to get connected with her right away. And after the first couple of sessions of working with Sydney and the cohort, I knew that this was a place where I needed to be. The boot camp is a place where there are other students who are working on very similar things that you are working on, that have very similar interests. And it's just honestly a great cohort to be a part of and a great support system to have. And Sydney honestly is there to help you along the way. I am less stressed out in this process, working with Sydney and having that guidance there. So definitely recommend working with Sydney, especially if you're a first generation student. If you come from a disenfranchised background, if you're a student of color, if you are low income, this is a great investment to make. And honestly, I cannot recommend this boot camp enough. So please sign up for Sydney Montgomery's law school boot camp, and I'm sure all of her other programs, her college programs, are just as amazing, and I seriously can't recommend it enough.